Hello! This song is called Best I Ever Had by Drake, pero gin-cover ko lang. So, yeah, check it. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you my everything. You're all I ever wanted. We can do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything. Out of host and never on it. I want this forever. I swear I can spend whatever on it. Cause she hold me down every time I hit her up. When I get right, I promise that we gonna live it up. She make me beg for it till she give it up. And I say the same thing every single time. I say, baby, you're the best. Baby, you're the best. Baby, you're the best. Baby, you're the best. You're the best I ever had. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. Know you got a roommate, call me when it's snowing there. Put the key in there to matter, you know I'll be over there. I'll be over there, shorty, I'll be over there. I'll be hitting all the spots, you don't even know what's there. Ha! And you don't even have to ask twice. You can have my heart or we can share it like the last lives. Always feel like you were so accustomed to the past life. Have a nigga thinking that he met you in the past life. Sweatpants, hair tied, chilling with no makeup on. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that you don't take it wrong. You don't even dress with friends, so you ain't bringing me along. You know that I am working out with there since I saw make it home. And she a patient to my waiting room. Never pay attention to them rumors saying what they assume. And I told them girls proving I'm the only one that never get confused with. Cause baby, you my everything. You're all I ever wanted. We can do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything. Out of host and never on it. I want this forever. I swear I can spend whatever on it. Cause she hold me down every time I hit her up. When I get right, I promise that we gonna live it up. She make me beg for it till she give it up. And I say the same thing every single time. I say, baby, you're the best. Baby, you're the best. Baby, you're the best. Baby, you're the best. You're the best I ever had. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. Ikaw lang kag ako. Wala na sang iba sa aton nga relasyon. Girl, kita lang nga duwa. Kag hindi ka da magpati nga ako gapang babae. Kay hindi ina matod. Bisan ako pa magluhod. Damo ang nakisa, hindi ba kita bagay. Nagaobras ang storya para nga kita mag-away. And amo ina ang mayo kay wala ka nagaselos. Kay ginatalawan ta mga chismis nga wala ulos. You're the only one sa akong tagipusoon. Babe, I got you back like the Iron Carey Hilson. Kung ako ang migo mo, mabusog ka sa pagpalangit at pag-abot sa akon. Mabusog ka sa pagkaon, never ka nga magutuman. Obrahon ko ang tanan, basta makaya ko, ibukos ko ang tanan. Hindi mo na kailangan magpagwapa o magdiet, magpabelo, magpa-sexy o bisan magparitoke. Hindi magpalayo kadto di sa akong tupad ko ako sang tulo kay kita ang malupad. Bisan ano ang matabo, hindi takapoy kahuya. Ikaw lang ang mansanas ng akon mga mata. Apple of my eye, you're all I ever wanted. We can do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything, out of host it, never on it. I want this forever, I swear I can spend whatever on it. Cause she hold me down every time I hit her up. When I get right, I promise that we gonna live it up. She make me beg for it till she give it up. And I say the same thing every single time. I say, baby, you're the best. Baby, you're the best. Baby, you're the best. Baby, you're the best. You're the best I ever had. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. Yeah, Shockey from Ill City. Shoutouts to Bacolod City, sa Ill City, my hometown, 033. Yeah, once again, Shockey in the mic. And yeah, comment ulit or like kung gusto nyo nga ubrahan ko sa MP3. I-comment nyo or like this video.